You yawn almost every day. But scientists still aren't completely sure why. Yawning isn't only caused by being tired. Even well-rested people yawn. One leading theory suggests yawning helps cool your brain, making you feel more alert. Have you ever yawned after seeing someone else yawn? That's called contagious yawning. Scientists think it may be linked to empathy and how our brains connect with others. But the mystery isn't fully solved. So, did this video make you yawn? Comment yes or no below. Follow for more amazing science facts.